So a few weeks ago, we decided to get our kitchen garden ready, and my husband did all the prep work, and I'm very appreciative for that. So we got our topsoil from Ohio Mulch. You can get it in bulk or in SIBO bags according to your needs. So after he was done with all the prep work, I went ahead and planted the red bell peppers, the pumpkins, collard green, Swiss chard. I had also planted some cilantro and tomatoes before I started this video. So here are some pumpkin seeds that I have saved from last year. As you can see here, we are planting our seeds directly, but I have some that I have planted in a nursery, and then we're going to compare the two and see which ones are going to do better. And after I was done planting, I then watered the whole garden. I plan to be watering every day apart from the rainy day in the next few weeks, just to make sure that everything has sprouted. And here is a little nursery I had mentioned to you earlier. I have the spinach or the chard and the collard greens. Three weeks later, this is how my garden is looking like. My husband had also transplanted these collard greens to this space, and they are coming up very well. And here are the cilantro and the tomatoes. A little bit of corn. It also looks like the red bell peppers are taking a little longer to sprout. We have the pumpkins on that end. And then we have some collard greens right there. It seems like there are some spaces where my seeds have not yet germinated. I'm still waiting for my red bell peppers. Then I got these basil from some friends, and I'm going to be planting them right there. And here are the spinach from the nursery that I had talked to you earlier. This is like 1.5 months since I planted them, and they are ready for transplanting. I'm gonna be using them to fill in the gaps as I had shown you earlier. And as you can see, I have filled in almost all the gaps, but there are still some few sections that I need to fill in. Some of these sweet chard that I had planted earlier look like they are a little crowded, and I'll be transplanting them in another video. So after I was done with all the transplanting, I then watered the whole garden. And at this point, I want to appreciate you for watching my videos. I would also appreciate if you could kindly subscribe to help me grow this channel. So this was so therapeutic for me, and I'll be back in a week's time to show you how my garden is coming along. So let us meet in the next video.